I am Dr. Shavez Ali Siddiqui, Department of Mathematics, Khaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University, Lucknow. Today we will discuss some more definitions of matrix, including numericals also. Last lecture I told that up to symmetric matrix, and today we will discuss skew symmetric matrix. So the definition is that skew symmetric matrix, a matrix A is equal to the Aij m cross n is said to be skew symmetric matrix if its ijth element is equal to the negative of jith element. Thus the matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to the minus Aji for all values of ij, that is A dash is equal to the minus A. A dash means transpose of the matrix A, that is if the transpose of the matrix A is equal to the negative of the matrix, implies that Aij is equal to the minus Aji for all values of ij. So for diagonal elements, for diagonal elements, put I is equal to the j in Aij is equal to the minus Aji. Therefore Aii is equal to the minus Aii implies that minus Aii is this side, so we have Aii plus Aii is equal to 0, implies that 2Aii is equal to 0. It means that Aii is equal to 0. Hence all the diagonal elements, hence all the diagonal elements in skew symmetric matrix are 0. In skew symmetric matrix are 0. For example, here this is the 3 cross 3 matrix. You know A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. It means that here the diagonal elements are A11, A22, A33. So we have here Aii is equal to 0. It means that A11, is equal to the A22 is equal to the A33 is equal to the up to so on ANN is equal to the 0. For example, here matrix A is equal to the 0 minus H minus G and H 0 and minus F. This is G, F and 0. This is the example of skew symmetric matrix. For in numericals, one step is this: note every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as the sum of a symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. This implies that A is equal to the 1 upon 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. So for one numericals, for this definition of skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix, this is the formula we use in numericals, and also we use the definition of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So then the question is that express the matrix A is equal to the I minus I, then 1 plus I, then I 0, 2 minus 3I, then 1 minus I, then 2 plus 3I and 2. This is the matrix. Express the matrix A as P plus IQ. Express the matrix A as P plus IQ implies that sum of implies that where P is real symmetric matrix and Q is real skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. This is the question. We solve it. We solve these questions in many steps. First, we use definition of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, and also this is the formula. This formula is that A is the expressed of A plus A dash 1 by 2 plus A minus A dash 1 by 2, and this step is symmetric and this step is skew symmetric. Okay, we will solve this numerical in front of you. Here A is equal to this, so we will solve it. We will find A dash. It means A is equal to the I minus I, then 1 plus I, then I 0, then 2 minus 3I, then 1 minus I, and 2 plus 3I and 2. Now A dash is equal to the A dash means transpose of matrix A. It means that here we transpose of the matrix A, so I minus I, 1 plus I, and I 0, 2 minus 3I, then 1 minus I, 2 plus 3I, then 2. We will discuss this numerical in next lectures. So please, thank you.